Hey everyone, welcome back to AI tool Snipe. Imagine if you could create a high-end professional video with just a single sentence. No camera, no editing grind, and zero voice actors required. Today, I'm showing you the world's most powerful AI tool, Invideo AI. Now, if you want to follow along with me or start your own journey for free, I've dropped a link in the description below. Click that link to sign up and let's get started right now. Whether you're into affiliate marketing, creating shorts, or building a faceless YouTube channel, this tool is a total game changer. And yes, these videos can be monetized if you follow the exact steps I'm about to show you. Let's dive in. Alright, let's head over to Invideo.io. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see how clean and intuitive it is. Just click on Sign Up using the link I provided, and you'll be taken straight to the dashboard. Here, you've got several options: YouTube Shorts, explainer videos, or script to video. Now, a quick pro tip. You'll see different AI models. I highly recommend using the advanced models because they deliver the absolute best video quality. To access those, you'll need a pro subscription. The Plus plan is about $28 a month, and it's a solid investment for any serious creator. For today's demo, I'll use the standard model to show you the basics. But remember, if you're making content for commercial use or high-end YouTube channels, the advanced model with a pro sub is the way to go. Let's get to work. I've saved my video prompt in a Google Doc, but you can easily generate your own using ChatGPT or Gemini. Here is what I'm telling the AI. Create a 3-minute YouTube video about the top 5 AI tools for 2026. Start with a high-energy hook. Use a deep, professional American male voice. For the visuals, use cinematic and futuristic stock footage. Make the pacing fast and add bold, colorful subtitles. I'll paste that in and click Generate My Video. Now, Invideo AI is doing the heavy lifting. Usually, it takes about a minute or two to build the entire thing from scratch. Now, let's talk about something huge. Even with a pro version, if you just upload the first draft the AI gives you, your chances of monetization are low. Why? Because you need a human touch. Don't just export the first draft. Click on Edit. If you don't like a scene, just tell the AI. For example, I'm not a fan of this third clip. I'll just go down to the AI command box and type, replace the third clip with a video of a robot coding. Click Generate. And just like that, the AI swaps it out. By doing this, you're telling YouTube that this is a unique, human-guided creation, and that is exactly what they want for monetization. Once you're happy with the edit, hit Export. Choose your preferred resolution, hit Continue, and your video will be ready in minutes. Now, download it, upload it to YouTube with some solid SEO, and start ranking. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use Invideo AI to create those viral historical fact series that are blowing up on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram right now. You won't want to miss that. Invideo AI is your entire production team in one browser tab. It's efficient, it's powerful, and it's how smart creators are winning in 26. Ready to level up? Click that link in the description to try Invideo AI for free. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Tool Snipe for more AI automation secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.